Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Tech Academy. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to change your password on eBay account. So in order to change your password on eBay, first of all, go ahead and open up a web browser on your device. In the URL section at the bottom, type in ebay.com. You will then end up in the homepage of eBay. Go ahead and make sure to log into your account first. After signing in, go to the top right section of the screen and tap on the profile icon at the top. Now, go ahead and scroll down and tap on Account. Inside the Account section, click on Sign In and Security. Now, go to the Password section and tap the Edit button. You will then be able to see three little boxes where you can enter your current password, enter a new password you are trying to change to, and re-enter the new password in order to confirm in the last text box. After filling in all of the details, click on the Save button at the bottom, and that way you will be able to change your password on eBay. So that's how it's easily done. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more eBay tutorials. I'll be back in the next video. Stay tuned till then.